Hello friend, welcome to my channel. I am here with CTET Polity MCQs based on previous year questions. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Question number 1. The preamble of Indian Constitution declares India as a federal republic, B sovereign democratic republic, C sovereign socialist secular democratic republic, D democratic socialist republic. Answer is C sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. After the 42nd constitutional amendment in 1976, the words socialist and secular were added to the preamble. Question number 2. Which of the following fundamental right is available only to citizens? A. Right to life. B. Right to equality. C. Right to freedom of speech and expression. D. Right against exploitation. Answer is C. Right to freedom of speech and expression. Articles 15, 16, 19, 29 and 30 are available only to citizens. Question number 3. The right to education, Article 21A, was added by which amendment? A. 42nd Amendment, B. 86th Amendment, C. 86th Amendment, D. 44th Amendment. Answer is C. That is the 86th Constitutional Amendment 2002. So here the option C is 86th Amendment 2000 made education a fundamental right for children aged 6 to 14 years. Question number 4. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? A. Prime Minister, B. Chief Justice of India, C. Vice President of India, D. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Answer is C. Vice President of India. As per Article 64, the Vice President is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. I am mentioning article also, so it will be helpful to remember the article along with questions. Answer. Question number 5. Which body conducts elections in India? A. Parliament, B. Supreme Court, C. President, D. Election Commission of India. Answer is D. Election Commissioner of India. The Election Commission is an independent constitutional body under Article 24. Question number 6. The concept of fundamental duties is borrowed from which country? A. USA, B. UK, C. USSR, that is Russia, and D. None of the above. Answer is the USSR, Russia. Fundamental duties were added by the 42nd Amendment and inspired by the Soviet Constitution. Question number 7. How many fundamental duties are there in Indian Constitution? A. 10, B. 11, C. 11, D. 12. Answer is C. Initially 10 duties. The 86th Amendment added one more. So now they are 11. Question number 8. Which of the following is a feature of federal system? A. Single government, B. Unitary structure, C. Division of powers, D. Dictatorship. Answer is C. Division of powers. Federalism involves division of powers between center and states. Question number 9. The President of India is elected by A. Direct election, B. Supreme Court judges, C. Parliament only, D. Electoral college. Answer is D. Electoral college. The Electoral college includes elected MPs and MLAs. Question number 10. Which list includes subjects like police and public order? A. Union list, B. Current list, C. State list, D. Residuary list. Answer is C. State list. Police, public order and health are under the state list. Question number 11. The Supreme Court is the guardian of A. Parliament, B. Executive, C. Constitution, D. State governments. Answer is C. Constitution. The Supreme Court ensures constitutional supremacy. Question number 12. The minimum age to become member of Lok Sabha is A. 21 years, B. 25 years, C. 30 years, and D. 35 years. Answer is B. Article 84 specifies 25 years for Lok Sabha. Question number 13. Which article deals with abolition of untouchability? And options are like this. A. Article 14, B. Article 15, C. Article 17, and D. Article 19. Answer is C. That is Article 17. Article 17 abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice. Question number 14. Panchayati Raj institutions were constitutionalized by Which amendment? A. 73rd Amendment, B. 74th Amendment, C. 42nd Amendment, D. None of the above. Answer is B. 73rd. Answer is A. 73rd Amendment. The 73rd Amendment Act 1992 gave constitutional status to Panchayati Raj. Question number 15. Which directive principle promotes equal justice and free legal aid? A. Article 38, B. Article 39, C. Article 39A, and D. Article 44. Answer is C. That is Article 39A. Ensures free legal aid and justice for all. So this is all for today. Thank you.